Twinkle. Today, we're going an unboxing. Nawala na siya sa picture. So today, we're going to do an unboxing. We have a helper here. May pangalan niya ay Twinkle. Twinkle, unbox mo na. Today, we're going to do unboxing. Ayan po yung helper ko, si Twinkle.
Galing oh! Tulungan mo si mama.
Tulungan mo si mami. Ayan. What is this? This is actually, so galing siya sa galing siya sa Pets Up. Pets Up! What's up? Yo! You're done na? You're done na unboxing, baby? Ayan! Galing! Very good! We have here pet deodorizer from Pets Up. Buksan natin. At alamin ang amoy. This is an antibacterial pet. Sakto, meron na kaming bagong deodorizer. Tapos meron siya ditong off nozzle. Yan, off the spray. So, on, pag in order to on lang, ito lang. Spray lang. On mo na yan. And then, mabango ba? Of course. Mabango. At on mo, at off mo lang. In fairness, mabango naman siya. Mabango.